America was never built on unity. It was built on stolen people, stolen land, and forced silence. Today, that silence is cracking open. This video isn't about promoting hate or division. It's about finally saying out loud what many feel but are afraid to express. What if we stopped pretending we were united? And actually, gave people what they say they want? White-only spaces. Black-only communities. Native land returned. And a place for those who truly want to live side by side. It might sound extreme, but maybe it's the only way left to finally be honest. Let's tell the truth. The United States didn't begin with freedom for all. It began with European settlers taking land from native peoples through broken treaties and bloodshed. Then came the kidnapping of millions of Africans, dragged to a land they never asked to be in, to build the wealth of a country that would never fully accept them. These two original sins, genocide and slavery, built a house on cracks. And every generation since has been trying to live in it, wondering why the walls keep shaking. Today, America feels like it's on the edge. There are groups of white people openly fighting to preserve their race. They want to live in all-white neighborhoods, send their children to all-white schools, and push back against immigration and diversity. At the same time, there are black people who feel they will never truly be safe around white people. The trauma runs deep. So, they call for black-only communities. Black-owned everything, and full separation. Some native people are still fighting to reclaim their land, culture, and sovereignty, after centuries of being pushed back. The melting pot looks more like a pressure cooker with no release valve. So maybe it's time to ask the unthinkable. What if the United States was divided into 4 parts? 1 part for white people who want to live with their own. 1 part for black people who want to live with their own. 1 part returned to native nations so they can finally rebuild. And 1 part for people who genuinely want a multiracial, multicultural life together. Each person gets to choose where they want to live based on how they truly feel, not what they pretend in public. How would this actually work? The country would be split into 4 regions, divided equally by land, resources, and wealth. Everyone would get fair access. Natural resources like water, oil, and farmland. A fresh legal system, shaped by the people in each region. This isn't about punishing anyone. It's about giving people what they say they want. No more pretending. Just space to be who they are, with others who feel the same. This could lower the daily conflict. People wouldn't have to walk on eggshells. Communities could set their own rules and values. Native people could finally rebuild on land that was always theirs. Black communities could build wealth and safety without interference. White separatists could stop blaming diversity for their fear. And those who believe in unity could come together and build something real. This idea isn't about actually splitting America. It's about forcing the country to face its ugly truths. Unity cannot be forced. And history can't be ignored. If this idea sounds wild, ask yourself, why does staying in pain feel more normal than real change? America can't move forward by pretending the past never happened. Whether we stay together or not, one thing is clear. The system we have now is broken. Well, history seekers, that's a wrap. Next, watch the 400-year journey from Africa to America. Getting to the roots is where history comes alive. We uncover the truth about Africa, African Americans, and American history, one story at a time. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.